The customer wanted to widen this fireplace, so I explained to the customer we need to put a bigger lintel in because she needed to move the fireplace over 100mm. So basically this fireplace, it was off centre. So we cut back about 100mm, maybe 150mm, as you can see on the left hand side. We got a new concrete lintel in place, and I actually recycled all the old bricks that come out of the fireplace to start patching this back up. So we put the lintel in. Now we've dot and dabbed and boarded and tied into the old dot and dab that she had on the higher level. But there, as you can see, I've now put a skim of plaster over, which I will then paint. Once this plaster is dry, I'll give it a nice coat of paint. But sadly, you're not going to be able to see the oak mantle that I fitted. I'll have to post that on another video. So as you can see now, we've plastered it all. I put a couple of coats of white paint on there. Obviously, it was watered down first, and that's the end result.